In this video, we're going to show you how to use smart buttons in your garments with VStitcher and Lotta. To start, you add a smart button to your materials. Each smart button has two parts, the button and the buttonhole. All button parts are configurable. Now, let's add a smart button to a garment. Drag the button to where you want it. Then, click where you want the buttonhole to be. With the Clone by Offset feature, you can easily add more buttons and buttonholes. Identical copies are placed exactly where you want them. And you can set them to be open or closed. You don't have to put the button and buttonhole in separate locations. In this garment, we'll add the smart button to the shirt pocket. You drag the button to where you want it, then press Escape. The button and buttonhole are added to the garment. That's how easy it is to use smart buttons.